UniFi Design Center makes it easy to plan out your UniFi Protect camera deployment. Simply place cameras on your floor plan and turn on Design Center's camera visual filter to instantly visualize your coverage. Design Center now displays the appropriate range and field of view based on the camera specifications, precisely visualizing the coverage so you can more accurately plan out your deployment. And with complete control over the position and angle of every camera, you have the flexibility to anticipate every obstacle that might block your path and fill in any gaps in your security coverage. And once you're done, you can quickly export a PDF of your plan for sharing. Design Center eliminates the guesswork, placing full control over every corner of your deployment at your fingertips. Start planning with ease at design.ui.com.